Yeah, let's go.
Ah, hit me in the nuts. Welcome to DIYs with Andrew and Nick.
And life hacks.
Life
You
hacks.
messed up the title.
He needs hella life hacks. Nick's now.
Do you know how a rubber band works?
Here we go.
Nailed it.
All right. I see what they did there. Everybody hold the shit on. Should I double?
Step one, done.
Should I double band it?
You should rubber band it.
I don't think it's gonna work because these rubber bands are purple and green on this video.
Also, these rubber bands are huge.
That's what she said. All right, I got mine together.
How do they do that? What's he attaching it to?
He did a magic flip. It didn't show the whole
But
thing.
what's it around?
You gotta be smarter than the pencils.
What the F? How the hell? How the hell?
I feel like I'm a vampire slayer. Back! Here, hold this for me.
Wait, Andrew, look. Yes.
Give it
Are
back.
you waxing my arm?
Give it back.
You deserve that, little one.
Give
because
it
you waxed
back.
my arm.
I'm gonna bite you. On 3.
Longer than average. Oh! I committed.
I'm taking over the medieval times with this thing. Oh shit.
I think I taped my straw too tight. It's a little deformed. Why are we still watching?
You were the dumb kid in class, weren't you?
You wish.
How do I flick a paper football?
You wish.
Can you guys show me how you made those paper planes?
Are you breaking a pencil?
Yeah, I need more power. You ready?
Mine can't work.
Mackenzie scoots back. This thing.
Perverted life hack. Yeah, I kind of agree. Why is it on there?
Holy shit!
Wait, aww.
All right, stand over there. He who finishes first gets to shoot the other one. It was in
He
the
who can't finish because I have jank supplies.
It was in the rules. Go ahead.
I have get up.
Not that close. I have a better aim than that. You got to hold the top of it so it doesn't fall over.
You missed. Bing, bing. Oh. My life just flashed before my eyes.
Here it goes.
Holy crap! I didn't think he was gonna. What did you use?
Put an automatic with strap on it. That's how you build
Holy crap, my
pencil
heart.
crossbow. Hey, I got a secret to tell you. Do they sound like they're talking to each other? Can we make a song? All right.
He's gonna pop it. Get it. Get it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh!
Why are you so bad at these?
That's a beautiful.
Hello. Hello.
Why doesn't mine work?
Because you suck at these. These are nice.
I want one of those. Maybe it needs to go this way. Yeah! Let's go!
Ah! Hit me in the nuts! God, clipped my nut.
Karma is a real bitch. Ew, it's like a personal fan. Air conditioner broke.
I'm gonna make my own life hacks.
Use a straw and a
Oh,
balloon.
it bends. That would have been better.
After the cake.
Nick, we are on a show.
Some of my fingers probably gonna be longer than others.
What's the point of a bendy straw?
What's the point of you marking those?
I want all mine to be the same.
Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Dang it.
Sorry for my incompetent friend here.
Incompetent?
Competent.
I'm extremely competent. I might be incompetent, but I'm confident. I gotta go through here.
Take
first,
my
though.
strong hand.
You doing good over there, buddy?
Better than you. You didn't mark the tape when you took it off of here?
On purpose. It bends.
Baby shark, do 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 do. I gave mine a fingernail. Into the straw. Who's our sponsor for this one?
Nobody.
Color Ray.
I went to
When you need a jumbo straw that flexes,
Color Ray, call
call
us.
Color Ray. Color AE. Live life in color. Head,
But I need them
shoulders,
to all
knees and
go the same way.
toes, knees and toes.
Why isn't the purple one bending?
How come none of your stuff works, bro?
Hey. Hey, Andrew.
Hi. Hay's for horses.
Okay, how do you actually... Stop. Purple man.
How do I tape this?
That was almost a hack. I can't grab stuff. My blue straw's broken.
Why are you so bad at this?
Come on, get up there, buddy. You can do it. Yeah.
What the did you make?
That's why
You only have 4 fingers.
Yeah, so do you.
A hand has 5 fingers, bro.
No, it has 4 fingers and a thumb. I like this. This is kind of fun. Funny. Okay, I didn't mark mine. Okay, like his is much better. Did he do 5?
Yeah, I did 5, you bitch. Hey, Nick.
The balloon's too heavy.
You.
Watch, watch. Bing, 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 bing.
Let me hold your cup for you. let go of it. Let go.
Oh my god, I didn't like that.
I feel like we
Boogie,
could make
boogie.
$1 million off of this. I call this the claw shot.
No. We should have made that last.
Well,
I want a balloon again.
You win some, you lose some.
Or you win some and Andrew loses them all.
You haven't even made a successful craft yet.
ASMR for the camera. That's a joke, because it's not tight enough.
Look at the camera. They used to call me on my saran wrap.
Here you go. Put this on there. Put this on there.
You lay it down. Things are getting hot in here.
You need more glue. You need more glue.
We got it.
You need more glue!
We got
Give me the
it.
glue!
Load me.
Yeah, you're
Oh,
loaded
Jesus,
up.
that thing
Yeah. Told you you needed it.
Spewed out. It had a clog.
Can you go a little faster? Or is it like the tortoise and the hare?
Yeah. Ooh.
That looks sweet.
I know. We're breaking records up in here.
That's so much cooler.
DIY Network, call me. We should be on the DIY Network.
Up here though, needs some. You're missing. Yeah. Yeah.
I need
that's
more
what I'm
glue
talking
ASAP.
about. Glue me. You're glued in.
I'm using this phone case hard. That one turned out better than your last project.
This one?
Here we go. All right, when do I turn it?
Glue me. We should start a phone case business. Would you buy our phone case?
DIY. It's like the alphabet, but 3 letters. DIY. Guys. Can I touch it?
Glue.
It's stuck to
Lamp.
the thing. Here we go.
Ramp.
You gotta go along the sides.
Hot glue is making it hot in here. Or is that just me?
I feel like the balloon was a better case. How much does it?
I had to make
oh
this.
shit! I'm stuck to the thing. Oh yeah, there we go.
No.
You really Nelson to that one. Ah, it's on my thumb. Ah, it's on my finger. This is getting dangerous.
Oh no.
Get it off.
Oh no.
It hurts. Ah, take it. This is the tightest shit, dog.
Is it dry?
Ah! This is bullshit. It's stuck to this. Was I supposed to put some grease on it? It's like a little camera door.
Oh. Like
Hey,
a
take
shutter.
a picture. Open it up.
Open sesame. That's a perfect phone case. Serious. Look how good that looks.
Stays on here nice. All right, now for the drop test. Ooh,
Do you see?
it's nice.
What is it?
That's Andrew and Nick logo. I still don't know.
And then you can tape this to the back, and it can be our show's phone case. Wow.
Oh, I'm on my new case phone. In the summertime.
That's cool. That's gonna be the next hot thing. It was like OtterBox. Now it's gonna be hot glue case.
OtterBox. Call me.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Let's get Mackenzie's laptop closer.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I'll try. One.
Let it soak up. There you go.
It's soaked. How do I get it off?
You keep going.
Stop. Hold the water bottle.
Keep going.
Hold the water.
There you go.
No.
You got it.
Nope.
Yep, it's
Nope.
gonna work.
Nope. Ruined. Your turn.
You want me to try?
You gotta fill it up again.
No, you don't. You did it right. You did it bad.
It's gotta be full. It's not gonna get wet.
You're not gonna get wet.
It's getting wet.
I'm wet. You're wet.
We're all wet. In one way or another.
There
Wow.
it goes.
Nice.
Turn it upside down.
Oh.
Got it. You did it.
It's not leaving.
It's like a combination of projects.
Yeah. That's all you have to do. Right there.
Shit. Suck it
Yep.
back in there.
Full water.
Pull it off of there. Just pull it.
No, so nervous.
Oh!
Okay. See?
It left the thing in there.
Clean this shit up. I believed him. Oh no. Now we all really are wet.